So we did our spin practice to our right side. Today we're going to go to our left. And I'm going to encourage you to use the video for the side that feels less comfortable more. So if you're more used to spinning right, use this video, spinning left, more frequently so that you end up balanced with both sides. So you're going to take a basic on 1, 2, 3, and we're going to prep for our side basic turn right away on 5, 6. We're going to turn to our left on 7. Now it barely feels like a turn because you're only doing a quarter, but try to keep the integrity of the footwork as if you were going to do a full turn or more. Instead of just turning here, keeping that right foot behind you, bring it in as quickly as possible. Try to balance here first. So let's try that again. We go 1, 2, 3, 5. Prep, legs together. Hold 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to hold to practice our balance on our left foot. As females, it's fine if you're not a female and you're taking this class, but as follows, we frequently spin more to the right than to the left. At least that's what I've found. If you feel more balanced, that's amazing, that's awesome. But I feel like I spin more to the right than the left, and my right is a little stronger. So we're going to balance here for extra practice. If you're the opposite, then when you go to the other way, balance more on the right foot. So we're here, 1, 2, 3. We're going to go on 5, taking a basic 6, 7. We take a basic again. 1, 2, we prep. 5, 6, 7, hold. 2, 3, 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, prep. 5, turn left, hold. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, 3, 5, 6, 7, hold. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that will be part 1. Part 2 will be our half turns. We're going to do 2 sets, so we're going to do 4 total. Basic forward. 1, 2, 3. Step, prep, and turn. Hold 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3. Stop right there. Before we do the last set, when you do the half turns, you're only giving yourself a little bit more momentum than the quarter turns. So don't gun it or give yourself too much so you don't throw yourself off balance. You also want to squeeze a little quicker with the legs and keep your upper body over your hips right away so that you end up feeling balanced, and you can hold here for 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, let's do our last 2 going forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, squeeze. Hold. If you need to tap, you're just going to tap your toes. 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do our 3/4 turns. When we spin right, we talk about aiming for what's over our left shoulder. When we spin left, you're going to aim for what's on the right. And just like I said in the other video, don't base this off of what's on the right side of your room. Just base it off of your right shoulder. Because if you're in a different room, you get really used to doing it in a certain room, and then you'll feel disoriented when you change location. But if you do this just based on your own body, it will not matter where you're spinning, which direction you're starting in. You'll feel more confident spinning in different directions. Here we go. So we're going to go this way first. 5, 6, 7, basic. 1, 2, prep. 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, here we go. 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Hold 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 5, 6. Fight to stay up. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to take 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 3/4, and then 2 spins to the left. For these, because we're not working on balance as much as we are working on our spotting and our speed, we're not going to hold for that 5, 6, 7. Don't worry, I'll go over it. So we take our basic 1, 2, 3. We go 1 1/4, 5, 6, 7. Basic forward. 1, 2. We prep again. 5, 1 1/4. 1, 2, 3. 5, 1 1/4. 1, 2, 3. 5, 1 1/4. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do 1.5. Remember, you always want to spot where you're going to end up as soon as you can see it, not on the last part. So if you're prepping here on 5, 6, on 7, I see the back of my room, and then I'm going to find it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, we prep. 5, 6, 1.5. Basic 2, 3, we prep. 5 to the front. Again, 2, 3 to the back. 6, 7. Basic 2, we prep. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1 3/4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Now 2 spins. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Like I said with the right spins, if you can do 1 3/4, you can definitely do 2 spins. It's actually easier to do 2 spins because you don't have to find your spot. You start where you're going to end up again. You just have to give yourself a tiny bit more momentum to get around for those 2 spins.